Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like not that much has happened over the past day or so. You can see very low volume today so far. Obviously it is the weekend as well, so there's a little bit of lower volume because of that I think, but also you can see we had this fairly decent move to the downside yesterday for Vechain, but really looking like it's actually wicked back up quite considerably, back up that daily candle. You can see it's pretty much trying to hold that previous swing high area here as a back test, isn't it, right now? And the price really just not done much today so far. But really with Vechain, looking like, you know, it was holding this area here, this previous swing high as support. You can see the breakout, the back test. Looking for that continuation, but it obviously didn't come. And now really looking like, you know, the price actions essentially come down back inside this area of structure here for a bit of a deeper retracement and back test. You can see quite clearly here that we've had a little bit of a nice 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of movement here for Vechain, and really I'm still looking for that fifth wave up towards the top of the range. Although right now looking like we are just chilling in the middle of the range, waiting to see what happens next. I think Bitcoin obviously leading the market quite considerably at the minute, and I think realistically it does seem pretty likely in my opinion that we'll probably see, if Bitcoin does have a bit of a rollover, Vechain heading back down towards the bottom of this range. It's obviously had quite a large reaction to Bitcoin having a big red candle yesterday. So in my opinion, you know, right now everything's still heavily correlated to Bitcoin really. And we are just waiting to see what happens next, aren't we? Overall, I would say it's pretty likely that Vechain's probably going to come back up into this area here, in my opinion, for a retest, provided that, you know, the wider market doesn't really do anything strange or have any, you know, big black swan type events. I think Bitcoin right now just having a little bit of a healthy retracement, and it's still making some decent ground. It's obviously above its bear market resistance as well. So I do think that, you know, if Bitcoin does have a little back test and a rally, we could see Vechain also doing something similar. It's obviously having a bit of a back test right now, and then if we get that rally, we could see Vechain heading up back into this area. But right now what I'm doing is I'm just staying out the market, waiting for Vechain to either head towards that overall range resistance or support. I will be trading the range until it breaks in either direction, and until we see that, I'm really just going to be sitting outside the market and waiting to see what happens next. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel, please consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out most days with other investors. So if you do want to support the channel, that would be a good way to do so, and I'll see you in the next video.